Hey everyone, welcome to the Planet V. Today, I'm taking you to one of the most stunning stops we made on our road trip from Philadelphia to Niagara Falls, Letchworth State Park in upstate New York. We decided to make a quick detour here, and let me tell you, it's worth every second, and the $10 entrance fee was a steal for the views we got. It's no wonder they call this one of the best state parks in the US. Letchworth State Park, also known as the Grand Canyon of the East, covers over 14,000 acres and runs alongside the Genesee River. The river has carved out this deep gorge, and it stretches for 27 kilometers through the park, creating an incredible landscape of towering cliffs up to 600 feet high in some areas. And let's not forget the three major waterfalls: Upper, Middle, and Lower Falls that cascade dramatically into the gorge. The views of these falls are nothing short of jaw-dropping, especially the Middle Falls, which is the tallest and most powerful, surrounded by lush forest and scenic overlooks. We stopped here for a break during our road trip, and honestly, it felt like a hidden gem. The sound of the rushing waterfalls, the fresh air, and the views from the cliffs. It was a perfect way to stretch our legs and enjoy nature before continuing to Niagara. The Upper and Lower Falls are amazing, but the Middle Falls really stood out. It's massive, and you can get so close that you'll feel the mist. We were even lucky enough to catch a rainbow in the midst of the falls, which made the whole experience even more magical. So guys, if you're driving from New York to Canada to see the Niagara Falls, is it worth to come here?
Absolutely, yes. Very impressive waterfalls.
You just have to pay $10.
You can picnic here. You can stay here as long as you want.
Yes.
It's very calm, enjoyable place.
A very good weekend getaway for someone who seeks peace. On top of the natural beauty, there's a cool history behind the park. It's named after William Pryor Letchworth, a philanthropist who bought the land in the 1850s to preserve its beauty. He eventually donated the park to New York State, ensuring it would be protected forever. Before Letchworth, this area was home to the Seneca Nation, and there's still a lot of cultural history here if you're into that side of things. If you have extra time, guys, you can go down. Take the 127 steps going down to have another view of the Lower Falls. Since we don't have enough time, we still have to go to Niagara Falls. We will skip that part, but at least we had a good view of the falls 1,000 feet above sea level.
And we want to see the bigger falls.
Yes. So why should you visit? Letchworth is perfect if you love nature, hiking, or just need a peaceful stop during a road trip like we did. There are 106 kilometers of trails, so if you're into hiking, you could spend all day exploring the park. And if you're more adventurous, there's whitewater rafting, kayaking, and even hot air balloon rides to get a bird's eye view of the park. We only scratched the surface, but the place is a photographer's dream, especially during fall when the leaves turn golden and red. If you're ever driving through upstate New York or planning a road trip to Niagara Falls, make sure you take the time to visit Letchworth State Park.